everybody. I'm here today to talk to you about wall clippers that are too loud. I'll be going over some easy fixes, so hopefully you can quiet yours down. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be outlining 4 specific easy fixes for you to make your wall clippers quieter. Now, these fixes will also work for other brands of clippers as well, but these are wall clippers, so I figured that I would do the video about the wall clippers. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to go over these quickly. Number 1, so I'm just trying to get through it, but stay tuned till the end because the last one is probably the one you're least likely to think of, but it likely might be the cause. It's a very common cause because these first 3, most people know about. The 4th one, not many people know about, know that it will make so much of a difference. So let's get into this. Number 1 is turn. That was a long intro, but we're going to go with it. Number 1, finally, is to turn the power screw counterclockwise a little bit. This right here is the power screw. If you turn it clockwise, it gives it more power. You turn it counterclockwise, it gives it less power. Most likely, this is going to be the cause of your loud trimmer, okay, your loud clippers. Turn this screw counterclockwise, a quarter of a turn, half a turn, just a little bit, and your trimmers will likely quiet down. They will be less powerful and less aggressive, but they will quiet down. So turn the power screw counterclockwise just a little bit. It usually does the trick. Number 2, but most people know about that. Number 2, if you didn't, now you know. Number 2, finally, is oil the blade. So your blades might be rubbing against each other too hard, and you need to oil the blades. So before every single use, you basically need to oil the blades. At least every couple of uses. Just get some blade oil and just put a couple drops of blade oil on the blades. Turn the unit on, and then move the taper up and down like this. Okay, the taper lever, and that'll spread the oil around. So try that out. It should work to free up those blades from rubbing against each other so aggressively. Number 3 is to clean the clippers. You might have so much hair caught in there that you have no idea. So most people will just to clean the clippers, and that's fine if you're doing like a quick trim. But if you're really cutting hair and you're cutting a lot of hair, you need to take the blades off and get all that hair out of there. Your motor might be struggling. The unit might be struggling because there's so much hair jam-packed in there. So clean the clippers by removing all of the excess hair, debris, dirt, and anything else that's caught in there. Last but not least is number 4, which is a very somewhat common cause, but no one really thinks about this, and that is to adjust the blades slightly. Now, when you adjust the blades, you basically have to loosen these screws or remove them completely, and then that'll allow you to adjust this back blade, this stationary blade, not the cutting blade, but you'll be able to adjust this. When you adjust the blades, it's going to either make them closer together or further apart. Maybe you want to get a nice close cut, so they're close together, but that might cause your buzzer to be loud. I call it a buzzer. Your clippers to be loud. It's what I grew up calling it. But if it's too loud, you want to take your stationary blade and move it further away. So you want your stationary blade to be further up, and that will quiet it down, hopefully a little bit. But that's it. If your wall clippers are too loud, those are some easy fixes. Try them out. Hopefully they work for you. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.